with the top upside down. Be careful with the razor blade that you don't cut yourself, but you have to start on the inside, cutting the existing rubber seal out away from the window. Once the seal is out, it's handy to have two people to flip this thing over. I wouldn't try to do it on your own. At this point, we need to take that chrome trim off. We've got cheap little plastic spoons, if you will, to pop the rubber seal off, and that'll get you to the chrome. Once you're at this point, grab a hold of the window with two people, grab a hold of the chrome, the rubber, and out she comes.